Hi, I'm Nail, CEO and founder at Youzu AI. We are building visual AI infrastructure for e-commerces and marketplaces. I'd like to show you our visual AI suite in the case of Vivre. We built for them Room Visualizer and Youzu Lens solutions. You can see in their platform, and you will be able to see the user-generated content powered by our Room Visualizer solution in order to redesign their space and find matching items. I'd like to go from the very start, and we have, in our case, text-to-image and image-to-image models. We have some samples here as well. We can select one. Let's select this sample, and then we will be able to use this image-to-image model. Let's say that I would like to turn it into a bedroom, and then I can actually select, say, modern and industrial styles, let's say. And then basically you can also put the prompt that you and in any particular styles that you like, and in the prompt case you will be able to select any particular furniture that you would like, any particular colors. But I'm gonna skip this one, and here, since it's in Romanian, you can write it in Romanian and basically click design, and then in a few seconds you will see that we will generate the room. Our models have got three major models. We have image generation model, object detection, segmentation model, and then recommendation, which is working the way that Google Lens actually works, or any other lens technology that's getting quite popular in the e-commerce space. And then the room has been generated. So if you remember, I selected modern industrial style. This was the original image. This was actually something that was generated by us. You can see basically the detected items within the room, and then basically in below, you will see recommendations of similar items that you can see in the room, and basically you can actually purchase any of these items as well. But if you are interested in a particular item, let's say that I would like to see more variations of this cabinetry, I'm actually selecting it, and then you can see similar cabinetry within Vivre, and basically favorite it, add to basket, and then purchase it. So since Vivre is actually within 10 countries within Central and Eastern Europe, if you live in these countries, you can actually buy these items. Play around with it, let me know your feedback, and it would be good to understand what kind of styles, what kind of rooms you like, and how you would like to make your experience even more immersive. So here also below you will be able to see the generations that has been done by the other users in basically for the bedroom styles. So you can see modern bedrooms within 4 that was done by other users. And basically you can actually go through these designs as well. I would like to show you more examples. This was actually a text-to-image model. You will be able to see that once you have generated this balcony in the modern Japanese styles, you see recommendations that you can get from this picture. And we are not just doing the furniture. You can see that we have plants here as well. So these plants are very similar to what you see here. Even we've got a Japanese maple for the recommendations which you can also purchase from Vivre website. Let's go for more examples. In this particular case, we have the bathroom. So that's something AI generated. Original image looks a bit not in the shape. It's unconstructed. And then within AI, you can get really nice ideas of how you can actually redesign your space. But not just that, we can also buy some of these items as well. I would like to go for more cases. So in this case, for example, you can see that it's a kids room. This was basically uploaded by the user, and then we see much nicer actually recommendation by AI. And then here straight away you get basically recommendations on kids room, on particular items that you can see in the pictures. And then we see the beds, and as always, if you like to go for a particular item, let's say that you like this carpet, and then you basically click on this carpet, and then you get similar similar carpets, styles, shape, colors, etc. So you can see that it gives recommendations from Vivre catalog, and you can, if you like it, you purchase it for your kids' room. So let's go for more examples. So this is another bohemian style living room. As you can see, like this was the original image, and that's redesigned one, which is more clean. And then here again, like in the other cases, like we got recommendations of these items, and all of this is happening like within seconds. I want to go for this room. Now you can see this is modern living room, and this was the original image. This was basically the one that has been redesigned, and you can see that from carpet to the chair, and then you can see that chair and sofas are very similar in the same color as well. And then if I would like to go for this studio couch, and then I will be able to get similar items for the studio couch. You can see that the similarities from the colors perspective, from the shape perspective, it's quite similar to what we have here, basically. Let's have more examples. Here we have like bedroom in Mediterranean style. This was the original image. This was the redesigned space, and then we can go like for particular items. So we can, as always, like we get recommendations, and then but if you would like to go like for a particular item, like let's say in this case for the nightstand, we click on it on the item, and then basically we have similar items. So let's try out more. So like we haven't tried kitchens so far. So here is the kitchen example. This was the original image. This is the redesigned with AI. And then here, what you can see in the examples, you see that we detect our model is actually for the recommendation is 0 shot. So it's not necessarily like we get furniture, we can get anything. So in this case, you can see that we detected the oven, and then we can actually recommend similar oven styles. And then other recommendations that you can see, which you can actually implement in your kitchen. So let's say that even let's say we would like to go to get like recommendation for fosse and sink, and then here you see like we get similar basically fosses that you can actually also like buy from Vivre platform. Another example is let's try out with this cabinetry. As you can see, also like you can install this type of cabinetry in your kitchen, and then basically as you can see, like Vivre catalog had similar cabinetry like for this kitchen, and then basically you can try to do like to purchase and buy similar item in this case. Let's try out one more example for the living room, and let's see, like this was the original image from the user. This is the renovated, redesigned space, and as you can see, as always, like we get recommendations for similar items here. And then if I would like to go for particular items, let's say that I would like to try out this coffee table, and then we can actually get similar coffee tables within Vivre's catalog. And then let's try one more example. Like let's say that I like this this cabinetry in particular, and then I can get like similar cabinetry styles that is in. So I think this one is very close to what we see here, and this one is also pretty close. So you can actually favorite that, add to basket, and basically later purchase. And it's a lot of fun. You can try out yourself, like if you live, and it's not necessary that you live within those countries, but if you like to purchase some of these items, obviously, like you need to live within this 10 Central Eastern European countries. But you can try out, play around with this, and then see, like, it's a lot of fun. You can get actually lots of recommendations, both in terms of like furniture, home decor, styles, and it can give you really good understanding, like, how you would like to reshape your room, your apartment, house, etc. And you will see a lot of inspiration from the designs that has been done by Vivre users. You will see lots of these examples. You can try it out. You can experiment yourself as well. We've recently also launched Youzu Lens within Vivre. So, for example, in this case, how that works is that we have some particular item, let's say this sofa. You take a picture of anything that you see, while you go like to the shopping, or just stumble upon on something on the street. You take a picture, upload in the Vivre catalog, and then you will be able to, in the Vivre chat basically here, and then within seconds you will see similar item recommendations. Let's say that you like this kind of type of chair, and then as you can see, you can actually find similar items within catalog, and then you can actually purchase that. So let's go for the other example. Let's try out this sofa. And it could be also like you like something, let's say on Instagram or Pinterest, you try out, basically you go to Vivre website and try out similar items and find out. So it works exactly like Google Lens from this perspective, or any lens technology that is that's getting more popular within e-commerce space. So in this case, for example, you've seen also like this sofa. I uploaded this picture, and then we can get similar sofas to this one within Vivre catalog. I showcased the room visualizer and Youzu Lens product on Vivre case. Try it out. Let me know your feedback. If you are based in one of the 10 Central Eastern and Eastern European countries, you can not just try this solution, but also if you like some of the products, buy it directly from Vivre and get delivered to your address. If you are an e-commerce and marketplace, we can individually approach the solutions and the problems that you have. We have probably the best in the market visual AI recommendation and search engine, and we can also deliver this room visualizer specifically for your case with your products and catalogs.